How to change print settings in Windows 10. This video shows how to change the print settings for a single document and how to change the default print settings for all print jobs in Windows 10. Follow these steps if you are printing a single document and wish to change the print settings for that single print job. Open the document you wish to print. Click File and then click Print. Click Properties, Printer Properties, or Preferences, depending on the displayed option for the application. You can change the paper type, print quality, paper size, layout, and other print settings for this print job. Once you've adjusted the settings, click OK. You can now print your document with the chosen settings, which will only apply to the current print job. You can also change the print settings for all future print jobs. In the search bar, type Printers and click on Printers and Scanners from the results list. Click on the printer for which you wish to change the default print settings. Click Manage. Click Printing Preferences. You can now change the printer default settings including paper size, paper type, two-sided printing, print quality, print layout, and other options. Once you've made all changes, click OK. Your printer will now apply these new settings to all future document print jobs by default. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.